By the end of this video, you're going to be able to send a fully personalized email campaign to thousands of people without ever leaving Gmail. And I'm going to show you how step-by-step using GMass, the tool that turns Gmail into your mass email sending platform, whether you're sending cold outreach, newsletters, announcements, or even wedding invitations. And I'm going to do it all in under 10 minutes. Let's go. Your GMass campaign starts with a Google Sheet of contacts. You don't have to upload a CSV to a CRM and then say what the f as you try to map fields. This makes it so much easier to get your contacts into your campaign and to add more contacts later on. Here's how to build your Google Sheet from scratch. The first row becomes your column headers. You'll need those for mail merge. The only column that you need to have is email address, but you can add anything else that you want, and first name is just the beginning. Running a sale? Add columns for location, favorite product, and discount code. Doing cold outreach? Try pain points, company, competitor, and unique offer. Or are you sending out invoices? You can even have a column with individual PDF attachments. We actually did a video about this a while back, so check it out here in the corner of the screen. But there really is no limit to what you can mail merge into your sheet. Whether it's full paragraphs, links, images, files, or even custom intros, if you want to personalize something in your campaign, there's a way to do it with GMass. The next step in sending your campaign is connecting the sheet to GMass. Now, because GMass is a Chrome extension, you're going to need to install it from the Chrome store. When you have it installed, just log in with your Gmail account, accept all the permissions, and you're good to go. Now we're going to connect the Google Sheet of contacts we just made by clicking this new spreadsheet icon inside of Gmail. Then just pick the sheet that you made and hit connect. Once your sheet has been connected, you're going to see a regular Gmail Compose window open up because, again, this works entirely inside of Gmail. You're also going to see a custom address here in the to field. Don't worry about this, that's just GMass packaging all of your recipients behind the scenes. Now that we have it prepped, let's build our campaign. To do this, write your email exactly how you would write a normal Gmail message. You can use regular formatting tools and everything else you normally do. So you must be wondering, how do we get all of the customer data inside of the email? Well, it's pretty simple. We're going to use something called mail merge. To use mail merge inside of your email, simply type a left curly bracket and a drop down is going to appear with every column header from your sheet. Select first name, and now every single recipient gets a message addressed to them by name. You can drop these mail merge tags anywhere inside of your email, and if you're worried about gaps in your data, you can add a fallback value with a vertical bar right after the tag like this. That way, GMass will use your fallback if a cell inside of your Google Sheet is empty. And there we go, that's your email personalized at scale. Now, let's configure all of the settings that separates a good email campaign from a great one. Click the red arrow next to that new GMass button to open your campaign settings panel. Now, there is a lot here, so let me walk you through the three main tabs that you'll be using in almost every single email campaign. The first tab is auto follow-ups, and this is the one that people love the most. You can build a fully automated follow-up sequence right here with multiple stages, custom timing, and full personalization with the same merge tags from your sheet. Set the trigger, for example, only send this follow-up if the person hasn't replied or clicked, and then set the delay in days. Write your email follow-up right here in the box, and GMass handles the rest automatically. I have never found a tool that makes this any easier, and I have tried them all. Yes, don't let my youthful glow fool you. I'm like 97 years old in email software years. The next tab is scheduling. Gmail has its own schedule send feature, but that is super basic. With GMass, you can skip weekends and holidays, set a window so that emails only go out during business hours, and this is a big one for deliverability, throttle your sending speed so that emails drip out gradually instead of blasting out all at once. That throttling matters because it mimics a natural sending behavior, which is one of several reasons why GMass campaigns tend to land in the inbox. 99% of GMass users tell us it's the best deliverability they've ever had. And because your emails go through Gmail's own infrastructure, they look and feel just like regular one-on-one messages to receiving servers. I'll cover another major deliverability tool a little bit later in this video. And finally, the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab is all the features that make power users stay with GMass for years and years. There's quick and easy A/B testing. There's verification, where GMass can automatically check every single email address in your campaign before sending. And there's MultiSend, our inbox rotation feature that lets you send virtually unlimited emails by distributing your sending volume across multiple Gmail accounts. Now, MultiSend deserves its very own deep dive video, but fortunately we have one, check it out, link in the description. Now, all of these features are really just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to using GMass. The settings box has everything from AI template creation to countdown timers to quick polls to tracking to customized unsubscribe links. Just know this, if you're wondering if GMass can do something, the answer is almost always yes. And if the answer is no, tell us, we'll probably end up making it. Just tell our CEO that Carl sent you. But really, this is all optional. Your email campaign will send great even without this. And finally, now all we have to do is send your email campaign. So your campaign is written, your mail merge tags are in, your follow-ups are set, and all of your other settings are perfect. There are just a few minor things we need to do before you can send out your campaign. The first check is making sure that everything is merging right. Create drafts to make sure that your mail merge is working just like it's supposed to work. When you choose create drafts and click the red GMass button, GMass will build all of the emails in your campaign and of course put them in the right Gmail drafts folder. You can then spot check them to make sure that everything looks right. If it is, click the link to send out the campaign or click a different link to delete all of those drafts and fix the problem. The next check is our spam folder. Here's that other major deliverability booster that you need to know about. Spam Solver is GMass's unique tool that actually tells you if your campaign is destined for the inbox or the spam folder. And if your spam rate is too high, it'll give you actionable suggestions on how to improve your email for better deliverability, and you can retest it as many times as you like until you hit the inbox. Now it's time to send our email. Okay, so we've written our email campaign. All of our mail merge tags are added, our auto follow-ups are set, we've done our testing, and all of our settings look perfect. Now all we need to do is hit send. With GMass, you send a campaign by clicking the red GMass button, not the blue Gmail button. And that's pretty much the entire process. GMass sends your emails based on your schedule. It fires off your follow-ups automatically and it tracks all of your replies, clicks, and opens. And you never have to leave Gmail for any of it. Close your laptop and go do something else, like grab a coffee. The servers will handle it from here. Now you've got the foundations to run real campaigns. Personalized outreach, automated follow-ups, smart scheduling, all without ever leaving your inbox. But really, I've only covered the basic workflow of how to use GMass. If you want to go deeper into MultiSend, automation, templates, or any of our other features, we have a full tutorial library waiting for you. I've put a link in the description for you to download the GMass Chrome extension for free so that you can start sending your first campaign today. And if you found this walkthrough helpful and it helped you out a bunch, then please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel. We're constantly releasing new guides on all things email, whether it's tips, tricks, or strategies, we've got you covered. But for now, thank you for watching and happy emailing.